Okay, here's my Philips Norelco 7000 series shaver. This is the 7600 package, so this is everything that came with that. Here is your 7000 series shaver. You have a case to travel with. You also have a base that is for cleaning the heads and storage, and then also the cleaner that goes down in the base there. And it came with a charging cable. It's about 2.5 feet long. It goes right into the end of the charger like that. Okay, and the other end is a USB connector. It did not come with a USB charging block. I guess they figure at this point everybody already has a charging block at their house for charging their phone. So that's one thing that it did not come with. Let's see. So what is Sense IQ? Sense IQ, it's kind of like an AI for your shaver. It detects in real time the pressure, the speed, the direction that you're shaving in, your hair thickness, and it adapts and makes subtle changes to give you a better shave. Let's see. So here is the case. It just fits right down there in the case. And zip it up like that. Doesn't really have much room for a charging block in the case, but you can fit the wire in there. All right. It does have, here's another cool feature, it has a flip out trimmer. So if you're a little bit overgrown, you can trim down before you shave or shape up your sideburns. It is also a wet dry shaver. So you can have lotion on or have a wet face when you shave, and it works perfectly well that way. You do have your um, adjustable, or I want to say contouring heads here on the top. And then your base that those shaving heads are on also swivels. So just really well to the contours and features of your face. So it gives you a really smooth shave. All right, so there you are. That's our Philips Norelco 7000 series shaver. And it's a great shaver. Recommend it.